Hello everyone, I have gone shopping. So we have the new Mr. Donut Pokemon collaboration of Lucky Bag for 2024. We've got some cute little designs all over the box and this nice fabric handle with advertisements for Scarlet and Violet with the new DLC and some Pokemon sleep. I don't actually use this one, so you guys have to let me know what it's like. Because yeah, I like to listen to videos while I sleep. I like to listen to videos while I sleep. So it doesn't quite pick up properly. Nice and plain, nothing on the back. And all the contents on the inside moving. So let's open her up. We'll go mystery. So first, we have a cute little calendar with a bunch of Wobbuffets and Goomies. I think that's Goomy, I don't know. I'm never too sure. So we have some cute double calendars for January, Feb. Bum, bum, bum. Snorlax in all his glory. Yeah, it's so cute. I also really love on all the blank days, they have little donuts and ponderings. The pondering ones are my favourite. Yeah, and there's all the cute old-fashioned donut here too. They're so cute. I want like 50 of these. Okay, next up, we have this cute little, oh, here it is. This cute little pouch. Oh, and all the instructions. Okay, let me just open this up for you guys. These are my short nails now. I ruined it. What have I done? This is a mess. Here we go. So we have a cute little see-through pouch. You can store little bits and pieces in it. Be like, I like to use it for like hair ties and hair clips. Or you can just do some like loose change. Nice. Next we have another cute little pouch with the sleepy beans everywhere. I'm gonna open this up for you bad boys. Where is the entrance? Okay, I can't open it. I'm gonna use my teeth. Shush, I did not bring scissors. Boom. And I only have a little bit of plastic in my mouth. Here we go. So everyone's all sleeping around with all the donuts. Let's check the inside. Nice and plain. It's a good little size one. This is good for like overnight like toiletries if you're just going on for like a weekend trip somewhere. It's quite cute. Or little collectibles or like little keychains. Next we have, well, I love the stack. What is this? Let's find out, shall we? Is this gonna be easy for me to open, or do I need my teeth again? I think I need my teeth again. Or maybe, oh, there we go. Brute force our way in. So we have, how far? A cute little tote bag. I'm stretching my arm as far as it goes. That's quite nice. We have 2 sets of handles, so it can be a little shoulder bag. Just hold it like this. Oh, and it's got a little button to keep it all closed. That's nice. Well, there we go. Okay, I'm going to use that to store all the items in. Make it nice and easy. So let's stick in our calendar. The little pouch. and the little clear pouch. Let's see if we can store everything inside, and that'll be a good gauge of how much stuff you guys can fit in. Next, oh, we have a cute, upside down again, little memo book. So if you guys want any little memos, I wonder if these are like sticky notes. Yes, oh, yeah, so they're just a bunch of cute little notepads, about, I reckon maybe 30. Yeah, about 30 of them. So you got 30 little notes. Stick those in our new bag. Next, oh, this is a little schedule planner for 2024, which is perfect. Means I don't have to buy a separate one. I can just use this bad boy. What is this? What is this, lads? Oh my lord. Okay. I can't do it. Okay, so let's have a quick flick through, shall we? Oh, here's the start. Oh, and I've just noticed a special feature of this. I'll show you guys in just a moment. Oh, it's actually not in the plastic, so that works. Wow. So first, I will show you the book. So this is the book just itself with no cover on. And inside is really cute. It's got a bunch of the Japanese holidays on it. But yeah. So we've got a bunch of planners. So we've got weekly schedules. What's that? Some memo, little just notepads. Ooh, those are cool, like little conversation ones. They're cute. Ooh. Just, yeah, a bunch of different memos that you can use. Oh, and a bunch of discounts. That's cool. What are these? Let me see. Okay, I won't show you the back because they're all the barcodes I can use. So you get a bunch of different 5% discounts. And there is 2 pages of these as well, which is pretty cool. So the special thing I noticed with this. So of course, this is the cover. The main cover for the book, the little slip cover. However, that's not it. Oh, we got some doubles. So here is the second one with a cute little Pikachu and some donuts. So we have 1, 2, technically 3. However, here's number 4. So they have some more designs and number 4, so you guys can pick and mix out of 5 different covers for however you want your schedule to look. Oh, look how cute all these Pikachus are. But yeah, so depending on what design you feel like, you can mix and match. And then you can tuck it all into your little slip cover, which also has a little bonus thing, so you can tuck some things in the sides, which doesn't interfere with the covers itself. But it's only on this one side. This one does not have one. Okay, let me put those in. Next, oh, is not the last item. But so you get given one of these. So this was the most this was the biggest option they had. So it was, hold on, Gosen Kyuhyaku Kyujuku. So it's like about, rounding it up, like 60 bucks. That's 60 Australian bucks, I'll tell you. But for that, you also get a coupon for 50 free donuts. So that essentially pays off the entire box. So as long as the donuts are under this price, you get the donuts for free. I tried it out yesterday. You can also put this onto the mobile app that Mr. Donut has. And I was able to buy myself 4 donuts, didn't pay a cent. It all came on this. It was great. I won't show you the back because that's got my info and my PIN code. It's like an actual like card, like a little debit card. I took that away. And last but not least is the one I'm looking forward to the most. I'm gonna have to stand up for this bad boy. Okay, let me just break in first. Let's punch in the phone. So we have a cute blanket. Hold on. So here we go in all of its glory. I hope I'm pushed back enough. I'll take a photo and upload that in a single shot for you guys later. But it's so good. So it's like, it sort of feels like a face towel. But yeah, it's a towel. You could maybe use it as a blanket. But yeah, not bad. And then here we have it, guys. So it all fits inside the cute little bag. So yeah, not bad. What did you guys think? I'm quite happy with that haul. Got us a lot in. And yeah, I can't wait for next year. Bye bye.